Happy Korean New Year! Hello, my name is Tan, coming from Thailand, which is we say New Year Ni Tho So.
Hello, my name is Sahinari, coming from Myanmar. In Port, we say Nathan Momo.
Today we are greeting you from here. We just want to say hello to all Korean people for this New Year. So the interesting is, I have met one of the best friend from Myanmar. He is the Sahinari, which is coming from Myanmar. In Thailand we call plong. In Chiang Mai we also have plong. We have score and plong. And now we are going to talk about the language.
Yeah.
How the difference between plong in Myanmar and current score. For example, if I say hello, what about?
So when we meet each other in Port, we say Amo Osawa.
Amo Soa.
Yeah.
It's quite different from the current score. And Chiang Mai, as you know, like the Catholic part, the people when they greet each other, Omo Shipper. This is we are greeting from each other. And I know that some of the current people they don't shake hand as well in Thailand. But this is the Chiang Mai part, we greet each other. And in Chiang Mai, you have to understand, we also have the Korean Buddhist, Korean Protestant, and Catholic. And another part is from Tak Province. We also have the Korean people there. The accent is the Score accent. It's quite similar like Chiang Mai Score. But the accent just a little bit different, but we still can understand each other.
In Myanmar also we have a different kind of Korean, and Korean Po, Korean Score, and other kind of Korean. We are speaking, we use the language a little bit different, but we can sense not very different. We can sense what they are talking about. In Ayawadi divisions, mostly Korean Poles are living in Ayawadi, and then in Korean state, mostly Sego Koreans are living in Korean state. And also we have different religions. Some are Protestant Korean, some are Catholic Korean, some are Buddhist Korean. Even though we are different, then we are using the same flag. This is how we live in unity in Myanmar. Thai also you are using the same flag.
Right? You have using the same flag. I just want to clarify a little bit. This is, for example, this is the Yangkung. The Ayawadi part in the right side is a very big area, which is this current people also live there, like you,
Yes.
Plong, And in the left side is the Korean state. In Thailand, we know the name as the Korean state or Go Sule. We call that Go Sule. You know, even though we are growing up from the different area, different background, but we have the same root.
The same root.
And we don't really identify each other as something different. We also have the same uniform and the tradition. Come to this moment, let's just learn a little bit about our language.
Different between the language.
For example, how are you? In Thailand, in Chiang Mai part we say no Oshua. What about in Myanmar?
In Port we say Osao Playa.
Also Playa. It looks quite different. But I'm not sure the plong in Thailand. Do you understand the accents? The accent or not? But I see the accents, the differences of the language is something very beautiful. And now, do you know how we meet each other? So both of us are from different countries. He's from Myanmar, I'm from Thailand, but we study together in Indonesia. And we are the Jesuit. It's one of the Catholic congregation. We learn to grow together, to serve people, and then what else we are going to do in the future?
So we are going to be a priest. So that's why now we are studying philosophy here.
It's something that we need your prayer for us as well. Nothing much for today. Just we'll pray for you, and you guys also pray for us as well. In this current new year, may God bless all of you. Good job, you are. Choge chowa, go back there, no?
အားလုံးပဲဒီနှစ်သစ်မှာဖျားခင်ကောင်းကြီးတွေခံစားရပါစေ
Tablu